Hello guys, this is my little website revutoapp.eu where you can download the Revuto app with my referral code to get 5 Revu tokens right away when you sign up with the Revuto app. Download and sign up, and you can also earn extra 5 Revu tokens for each friend you refer later, plus 6% what they'll spend with Revuto, so what Revuto earns with them. For life, I have another video, longer video to explain why it's good to be early and to refer to your friends. Basically, you can have your subscription free also with 3 friends, 3-4 friends, and if you have yourself 3-4 subscription in shorts, if the token price go higher, but you didn't need to know anything about crypto, you just use the code. So let's do a new registration to see how it works. I copy the code, then I click App Store as I have iPhone, open. I already have Revuto installed, or if not, you install it. I open it. I put some random email. That I have. Then you need to do this. I have a referral code. You copy paste my code. I also get 5 Revo tokens. Fold this closer. Then sign in, check your email, continue, verification code from your email, you need to go to take. Let me see if it's here. No, it's not here. Okay. I go to take the code. One moment. So, okay, I went to, actually it went to promotions, not to primary email in Gmail. So I go, I have the code. Okay, continue. Choose password, whatever. Your passcam has been updated. Then you put your name and surname. Mr. Photo. Date of birth. I put when I get to know about Revo. It was January when they listed with KuCoin. I'm from Estonia. Then I need to put the phone number. I will not put. Confirm. Okay. Italy. Your access has been granted, Mr. Revuto. So let me see what I have here. Verification will be soon. That you can be done, and then you get the 5 tokens. So how I see now that I have 5. In theory here, because I put my code, I should see 5 Revo tokens here in the I don't see Revuto app referral. So here I should see the code I put in. Somehow I'm not seeing, because maybe I'm syncing up with the same phone that I already have account. So maybe now Revuto is certificated. They know that I wanted to use the same phone. If not, here Revuto app referral, you see 5, that it's your 5 Revuto tokens. Invite friends also now it's not active, but it will be maximum June. Share Revuto with your friends. I explain in different videos why. I don't have any NFTs yet, of course. Biometric authentication, change passcode, whatever. Redeem voucher, delete account. We can do a wallet also. Test wallet. Mr. Revuto wallet. Then you can stake. Okay, whatever. Continue. Recovery phase. I understand. This is my recovery phase. Okay. I make photo for the other phone. Verify. I understand that it's important. So 6 was mask, 7 silk, 18 joy. They just want to know that you write the confirm that you write the words down. Wallet created. Now here I have a wallet. I have 0 everything. I have transactions 0. Actually, if you didn't remember to save the recovery phases, you put your spending password and then you can see them again and you can save them in a safe place. I will print them out, put in somewhere safe. You can remove the wallet also. Then you can send. Let's see what is happening here. How many minutes already? Okay. Let's see, you can send ADA and Revo if you have Revo, of course. Then you can receive. Don't send here anything as it's just a test wallet. And then there is staking, of course. In staking, we have you can stake ADA for 10% APR for 1 year and 5% bonus with what Airfund is invested in. Turn a little bit. Then there is Revo normal pool that you don't need to be vested for 1 year like the other one. You can stake and unstake when you want. But ADA has a hard cap of 1 million, so it's 34% full. Then there is pool that came today. It's 45. No, it's actually it's only 20% full or less. 2.5 million is total, and 500 almost is full. Subscription is open 10 days. I made another video about that, how to stake. There was the special Gens ISPO, boost your Genius Shield ISPO rewards. This shows crazy now because it's divided by 25,000 World Mobile tokens. Depends how many people will stake. I think it's divided by this percent, and that's it. I hope it was useful. There is staking also. You can stake and unstake. It takes few days usually. Maybe it's useful to know. And it's fast to send Revu here from KuCoin example. Okay. And this is it. Bye.